earning Shopbox through Technowise360 is so awesome and easy. Just sign up and create an account for free. Just shop like you normally would. See the Shopbox points right there? That's what you're going to earn when you purchase the item. So if you shop and shop and shop, your Shopbox point will accumulate. And when this happens, you will have free shopping money via Shopbox. How good is that? Want to know more? Earn Shopbox by referring Technowise360 to your friends. Free sign-up will give you your own replicated shop with a personalized link. All you need to do is share this link. And you will earn more Shopbox every time your friends sign up. Here's the most exciting part. When your friends purchase using your website link, you will also get the same Shopbox credit from their purchase. See? You earned without actually doing the sales work. Yes! You will enjoy all these perks by just signing up for free. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up today and start your free shopping adventure via Shopbox.